Figured out the definition of between confidence and certainty. These two words are actually quite different, and they're similar but yet different. So let me tell you my definition of confidence. So confidence is knowing what you know, and it's having confidence in what you know. Certainty is different. Certainty is knowing what you don't know. And then I found this Lao Tzu quote that he actually came to the same realization too. He says, the wise man is one who knows what he does not know. The wise man is one who knows what he does not know. He doesn't say, Lao Tzu didn't say, the wise man is the one that knows what he knows. It's the one that knows what he doesn't know. That's certainty. Certainty is knowing what you don't know, and certainty is being confident in what you don't know. Too often these days we hide away from the things that we don't know because we think that's our weakness. We think that's, we're embarrassed by it. We kind of put it in the closet. But actually having certainty in yourself is more about sharing what we portray as weakness, sharing what you don't know. That's true certainty. It's a step a level above confidence. Confidence is just being confident in what you know. I know, let's say for example, I know this is an eraser. It's an eraser, right? But what I don't know is I don't know what it's made of, right? So the wise man is confident in what he doesn't know and not so fixated on what he knows. Now, he still shares what he knows, but he's also, humble enough to know what he doesn't know. And that's the same thing we see in our health journeys. Many people they're embarrassed that they don't know how to take care of their health. But that's not something to be embarrassed about. That's just being certain in yourself when you share that. Because only when you are certain in yourself and what you don't know, then you can start seeking out the answers. Seeking out the answers to find those solutions. And that's what we do at Achieve Integrative Health, is we help people find those solutions. Find the solutions to the answers that they don't know, to the questions that they don't know the answers to, right? It's okay when you don't know. It's just be confident in the fact that you don't know and go out and search for solutions. Not knowing makes you wise, okay? If you're just knowing, it makes you confident, but not knowing makes you certain in yourself.